In front of me is OnePlus Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Now I will show you my favorite app on all Android devices I'm testing, because thanks to it I can access all my downloaded files in one place. It's called Files, the blue one, and usually it's in Google folder. If you don't have it here, you can install it from Play Store for free. After tapping on Files app, if you never used it before, you need to select Confirm in the pop-up. Then hit Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!